Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new topic, that is a group by class. Okay, if you say that as a classes, we have three things we have. Okay, one is group by, and another one is having, and order by. Okay, these are the three groups we have. Okay, have classes. Okay, in the classes we have for three, and group by, having, and order by. These three. In this particular session, I'm going to covering for group by. Okay, group by class is in MySql is used to group the rows. Okay, grouping the rows that have the same value in the specified column into the summary rows, such as those generated by aggregating the functions like a sum, count, average, etc. It may used in a conjunction with the aggregation function perform the operation on a groups of data. Okay, if you say the same thing like a MySQL group by class, it is grouping the rows that which we have do right, that it will give the summary of the rows. Okay, and also combination of the aggregation functions we can able to use like a count, sum, average, min, max, and we can able to do that some calculation for each group of the rows. Okay, like that we can able to do. Okay, how you can able to do, we'll see in that. Okay, and if you see simple syntax wise also, you can see select, you can able to say column 1, column 2, and column 3, and you can use for aggregate function. Okay, and which column you are going to use. Okay, which column you are going to use. From that, which table name, we need to use the table name, and after that we need to use the group by. Okay, group by class, and we can able to provide which column we need to identify. Okay, this is the one line of things, and you can able to divide this as well. Okay, like this you can do, and also you can do like this. Okay, both the things are same, and end of this query you have to use the semicolon. Okay, it will give the what you are expecting the value, the same value it will provide you. Okay, how it works and all, if you say right, group by class is basically result the set of values one by one or more columns based of the value. Okay, aggregation functions based upon each group return the summary value it will returns. Okay, and if you say like simple query also we can able to do. Okay, now for this again I'm going to here. Now here I need to get the based upon the supplier ID, supplier. I want to get average value. Okay. For this I'm going to use for here. Okay. Supply supplier ID, comma, average price. Okay. Average price as average underscore price from products. Okay. From products. And here we can able to use the group by supplier ID. Okay, like this we can able to use. Now if I run it, it will provide that all the list of products and all. Okay, with the supplier ID. Based upon the supplier ID, the average values, and it will provide you here the list. Okay, 29 average salaries, it is also price it is provided. Okay, like this it will provide. The query employees basically this employee, what will happen? Products query, every time supplier it will take, and each time it will calculate, and it will provide the what is the average price in that particular products table. Like this it will gives you for entire data. And also you can able to get the multiple rows also we can able to use, like by grouping we can do for multiple things also we can able to use. Okay, I am cutting this one, this entire query. I'll copy. Again, I will click the products. Okay, we have for category and supplier and product name is there. Okay, and I'll take for category ID also. Okay, I'll take the category ID also. Now here supplier ID. After that, I'm going to use for category ID. Okay, comma, and here group by supplier ID, comma, category ID. Category ID. It should be a G small letter. Okay. Now, if you run here, aggregate them that misspelled and the products incorrect. Which one we done? Okay. Comma category ID. Okay. See, based upon the category ID, now it is 49. Previous 26. Now it is 49. Okay. Like this, we can able to do for multiple columns by using that also. Okay. We have having class also. By using the having class also, we can do that having class. I will explain in the later video how we can able to use the having class by using the group also. Okay. And order by also it is there. And we can able to use the order by functionality. And one more functionality which is distinct keyword it is there. And here basically distant key is the you can combine the group by with the distance to remove the duplicate rows in a result set before applying the grouping. Before applying the grouping, we need to use the distant keyword. Then it will remove the duplicate keys and it will provide the result. Okay. How it will be there? We see. Okay. Now I'm going to use for distant keyword. Distinct keyword department and everything is same. Okay. Now you can use the summary or you can use for anything. Okay. Now see 49 as expected the original values without duplicate it is provided for the values. Okay. Even you can remove this category also. So 29 is scheme. Okay. Like this use. Okay. In case if maybe I'll get for one more question. Now I'm remove the distant keyword and supplier I'll keep it. Okay. I'll do for without aggregate function. I'm going to use for this. Directly I'm using now. You can see you would try the execution query that does not include a specified expression price as a part of aggregation function. It should be a part of any aggregation function. Without aggregation function, if you're using group by and all right, you can able to get some kind of errors. Okay, you can able to do that as well. Okay, whenever you can see that error message also they can able to provide. And if you even in case if there is a date functionality, if that the date is presented, that date also you can able to use and you can able to get that grouping values. Okay, date you can able to see any place you can able to use the group by. The similar format what we are using the same format you can able to use the month field. Okay, now date functionality. Yeah, date of birth is a functionality it is there. Okay, we'll see for date functionality whether we can able to achieve or not. Okay, and I'm going to use the month. Okay. In this month, I'm going to use the birth date as a month. Okay. And I want to grouping this. Okay. I want to group by same. I'm going to copy. Okay. Now you can see select must include a reverse word or aggregation name that's misspelled. Okay, here it is misspelled. Wait, we can see one time. Yeah, all the months it is displayed how many it is there, and we can first name, last name also we can use. And group by this particular date. Okay, it is not allowing that. Okay, see now it is 8 records we have. Okay, like this we can able to use that all the things. Okay, I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.